Welcome, in front of me I have LG LED Smart TV, and today I'll show you how you can switch on this device. So it's very simple and you can make it on two ways. You can use your remote control and then tap on the power button just once, press on it. As you can see, after a few moments our TV is turned on. And if you get any problem with your remote control, I'm going to turn it off right now. Okay, I think that it's turned on. Turn it off, yeah. So if you've got any problem with your remote control, you can use it. You can find under the LG logo on your TV right here at the bottom. Right now I'm going to press it. It's right here. So we have to click and hold it. Keep holding. When you see the LG logo, you can just release that key. And right now our TV will be switched on. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.